diary, journal, and logbook we have discussed already. Okay. So diary is it is totally personal. Okay. Logbook is totally official, and journal is account of the journey. So in diary, what do we do? We use more informal language, but we are always official in journal and in logbook. Particularly in logbook, we mention the. Okay, we have checked the assignment. No, are you not satisfied? You tell me. I have sent my comments also, because you know active and passive. If the verb is past participle, it cannot be active. I have written already.
Sir, active and passive nahi.
Yes, active means when the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action, and it has more importance. Suppose I repaired my cycle. I is the subject, so I is having more importance. So it is I repaired in my cycle. But if you make it passive, my cycle was repaired by me. So I became less importance. I became me. Okay, so this change of place in subject and object takes place. And sir has given you the syllabus also. In grammar, active and passive is there. We don't know if it comes also. You please try to attempt. What will come, I don't know. Okay. Any other doubt is there? So what the chapters are told, same chapter will come. Course may advance, but course will not come. Total course will not come. What are the chapters already mentioned in your WhatsApp? Same thing only will come. If the course advances also, don't worry, it will not come in the exam. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then we will start with this. I told you the background of the story, diary of the young girl, and also how she had nobody to express her sorrow and feelings. That's why she used to write the diary. So in course of time, it became an obsession, like a living being, to the young girl, because she had nobody to share her feeling. She made diary her own friend. She named it Kitty. Afterwards, we will go to that. Then you see, when the diary was gifted to her when she was 13-year-old, because you know she wanted that. Her father wanted that the girl should be famous, because as we know that the girl died early. After 2 years, she died in a concentration camp. I told you the background of Nazi atrocity on Poland. So Netherlands' old name was Poland. So there also Nazis, in a very inhuman way, they killed people, kept them in concentration camp, and also people went into hiding. Particularly, Hitler had hatred towards the Jewish community. The Jews, as I told you, they were considered as the bacteria and pest. Suppose you are applying red heat to kill the cockroaches. You are applying black heat, red heat, because these cockroaches should be killed. They are spreading the bacteria. Similarly, for Hitler, the Jews were like the pest or the cockroach. They should be annihilated. So he used the new word, cleansed. Cleansed means purified. They did not use the word killed. Killed they did not use. They told it is cleansed. Infected. Infected means more Jew population is there. The place is infected. Cleansed means they are all silenced. I was giving you one example. Suppose a soldier is fighting a battle. If he dies, it will not be written he died. It will be written missed in action. If his dead body is not found, the official language is missed in action. It will be written. Okay. So then you see the happenings. We also in page number 49, some examples we have examined yesterday. somewhere coming as diary, somewhere coming as journal, somewhere coming as logbook. So then let us go to page number 50. So page number 50, as I told you, it is autobiographical. Autobiographical, how do you know? Because the girl is herself writing her diary, and the words like my, mine, like this it is used. So it is totally autobiographical in nature. Okay, so why she wrote the diary? She gives some explanation in the first stanza. So she just wrote because you see, she was afraid that why anybody will take interest in the writing of a 13-year-old girl. It will pass like this, nobody will read this. That was her assumption. But what happened? Her father, when she died in the concentration camp, her father published the diary. And you see her photo is there. She wanted to be famous. The photo implies there was no Facebook or blogging like this at that time. So the photo implies she wanted to be famous. So writing in diary is a really very strange experience for someone like me. But not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musing of a 13-year-old writing. Musing means recounting the past. Why anybody will take interest? Suppose you are a veteran, 80, 90-year-old, you lived, or you are a freedom fighter. In your life story, some will take interest. Suppose you are nothing, only a 13-year-old girl, why anybody will take interest? Oh, well, it does not matter. I feel like writing. I have an even greater need to get all kind of things off my chest. Off my chest, to release off my chest. I was telling you one example yesterday that to release to express, there is a better word, to give vent. Remember this word, to give vent. I am giving vent to my feelings, means I am expressing my feelings. So to express, to release, to from my chest means heart. So as I told you one example, that she must cry or she will die. One poem I was telling you, home they brought her warrior dead. One lady was there, her husband was a warrior, he died in the battle. So the husband was brought home. So all the other ladies, they were trying to make her cry because she was shocked, not able to tell anything. Why? If she will not cry, if her sorrow is not released, she will die. Her heart will fail, because our heart cannot endure our heart don't have the tolerance power for so much sorrow. Everything has a limitation. If your heart cannot tolerate, you will die. That's why it is told she must weep or she will die. This is the thing. Okay, so in this way, she gave vent to her feelings by the writing of the diary. She was giving vent to her feelings, means expressing her feelings by writing the diary. So diary became one medium of expression for her, like a living being, like a friend. Okay. Then you see, she never thought I will write. Why? Because she was telling that who will give importance to my writing, but she understood. Paper has more patience than people, I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hand. Depressed means sorrowful. Chin is this. So putting the hand like this, it is called chin in hand. Means somebody is in deep sorrow or deep thought. Okay. Bored and listless. Listless means no energy, no motivation. Because you know, for a 13-year young girl, you will tell her to sit at home, not going out, not doing anything, and sitting in an attic where you cannot stand properly also. Your spine will be bended. So in that position, crouching position, how much time you will remain? So she was having no energy and also feeling restless. Okay. So Yes, Pepper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let means to allow. Yesterday I told you let is let me in. To let means to allow. So she does not want to allow anybody to know her feelings. Okay, she does not want to allow anybody to know her feelings. Okay, read this stiff-backed notebook, grandly referred to as diary. Stiff-backed because you know generally diaries the cover is very thick and strong because they want to keep for long time. Stiff-backed means the binding of the diary was very thick and tight and strong also. Okay, as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a little bit difference. So it makes no difference, she thought, but I am happy. Why? Because I got something to express my feelings like a real friend. Children, if you are suffering from some mental tension, if you tell before somebody, you feel relaxed. Okay, this is human nature. So she had no friends, and also she made the diary her best friend. So she is telling that Pepper has more memory than human being. So I prefer to have a diary as my friend. Clear? Any doubt is there? Paragraph second, page number 50.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay, we will advance. Now I am back to the point that prompted me. Prompted me means motivated me, or which gave me energy to do something. To keep a diary in the first place, I don't have a friend. Why? The first need was that there was no friend before whom she can express her feelings, she can express her heart. That's why she made diary her first friend, and because she had no interest in diary writing, the only motivation was that she wanted somebody to listen to her. She wanted somebody to give expression to her thoughts, some medium. That's why she has chosen the diary as a friend. Okay. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. Generally, when you advance in years, you become lonely gradually. But 13-year-old girl, you will see 3 generations. Your father, his father, grandfather, you may see if you are lucky. So, in the world, and they will have a lot of friends in childhood. Gradually, when we become aged, our friends, they vanish one by one. Because life is so busy, we are not able to keep track of each other. But in childhood, what happens? The memory is strong, and also the bonding is very strong. Children, they make friends easily, and they fight and again make friends. Elders, once they fight, no, the friendship is broken. No friendship. A wall is kept. You don't talk with me, I will see you. Then he will tell, I will see you, like this. But children, they are playful, and in a very sportsman spirit, they forget the difference, again become friends. So it is impossible to imagine a 13-year child in the big world to be alone. Aloneness is a big punishment. You want to correct a child, don't do anything. Don't tell anything and make it alone. 2-3 days, the child will be all right. Because without anybody to communicate, how the child will pass the days. Okay. And I have loving, but she was not alone. She had chosen the diary as the friend to express her feelings, but she is telling that I am not alone in the world. I have relatives, I have parents, I have father, I have mother, I have brothers, I have sisters, I have everybody. So I was not alone. But to tell your feelings to somebody who is intimate and trustworthy, it is difficult to make. Sometimes we tell before others, they laugh at us. You told emotionally something to your friend, but they told others and made a laughing stock of you. You repented. Why I made such a worthless friend? Okay, so, and I am not, I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. She was not alone. She had brothers, she had sisters, she had a sister, no brother, but parents were there, and around 30 people were there who were all whom she can call as friends. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. So nowadays also you have many friends, but not a single true friend. Who is your friend? One who gives you company when you are in sorrow, when you are in sickness, when you are depressed. But nowadays, when your purse is full, all are your friends. The purse is empty, you are alone. Your Facebook friends, WhatsApp friends, they are artificial friends. Only good days, birthday, prize winning day, achievement day, they are your friends. When you are in bad times, nobody will come to you, only one message they will post to you. You should be happy with that. So she had many people around her, but not a true friend. That's why she has chosen the diary as her friend. Clear? I have a no on the surface. It seems surface means on the what you call. Anybody outsider will think, "Are how are you alone? You have a loving family. You have sister. You have father. You have mother." But really, you are alone because you have nobody to express your feelings. Okay. So, and I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I cannot bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. So some people know they are happy talking about everyday things. What are the everyday things? When did you get up? What you had for breakfast? Did you go to school? How is your mama? How is your papa? So they are all ordinary talk. But she was a girl who does not like ordinary talk. She wants some valuable talk I will do with somebody who is my friend. But the friend should be ready to listen the valuable talk. The friend wants ordinary cheap talk. Cheap talk. What did you wear? If you tell I brought this, how much money you paid? You will say I paid 600. Then she will tell that 600 आपको cheating कर दिया, ये 500 में मिल रहा है. This is called cheap talk. So you are this soup from where you got, how much money? Immediately they will ask about money. If you say 200 also, they will tell it is available for 100. If you tell 1000, they will tell it is available for 900. This is called people's psychology. Psychology of the people who put their brain in the common things. Okay. So we don't seem to be able to get any closure, and that is the problem. That's why she was alone most of the time. She does not want to talk about ordinary things. Ordinary things of life have no interest for her. But what she wanted, valuable talk. So most of the time she was alone because nobody was giving her company. People are 1% people want to do valuable talk, 99% want to do cheap talk. So she was alone. She had nobody to give express to her feelings. So we don't seem to be able to get any closure, and that is the problem. Closure means she was not able to mix freely with other children, to have a close friend because of this reason. Okay, and that is the problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. Confide means to tell personal things. Everybody is asking about personal things, but confide means to tell personal things. So everybody is interested for personal, but she is a girl. She wanted to tell about outside things, not about her personal. That's why she is telling most of the time I was alone, I was without friends, and I had no friend with whom I can share my feelings. Because personal feelings she does not want to tell. Oh, I cannot bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everything, and they do not interest me. They do not interest. Who? The ordinary things has no interest for her. In any case, that is just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. Liable means subject. Liable. Because you see, people have a habit. Habits do not change. You change, habit will not change. So she had no habit of talking about personal things. She was not able to make a close friend, and she tells, perhaps it is my problem, perhaps it is my fault. But if fault also is there, it cannot be rectified. Such a fault, it is not that you made a spelling mistake, it is the mistake of your nature. Nature will not change. What is your nature, that will remain. So she tells, if it is fault also, I cannot help. Okay, maybe it is my fault that you don't confide. In any case, that is just now how things are, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary. So the reason for writing the diary, as stated by Annie. Okay. So, for the reason, what is the reason Annie was not able to make a good friend? What is the reason she was failed to make good friends? Number one, she had no true friend. No true friend to disclose her feelings. 1 point. She had no good friend, true friend to disclose her feelings. Number two, she was not close to anybody. She was not close to anybody. Why? As she does not like personal talk. So Annie was not able to be close with anybody. She does not want to share her personal life. And she observed that most of the people, they are interested in your personal life only, which she does not want. She wanted her personal life will be a closely guarded secret. Why anybody will share my personal life? So she was most of the time alone. So for these two reasons, she has chosen the diary as the medium to express her feelings, to give vent to her feelings, or to express herself, whatever you say. Okay, clear? Any doubt is there, children? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, let us go to the last paragraph. To enhance. Enhance means to increase. Enhance means to increase. So last stanza of this page, to enhance means to increase. So to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in the diary. Jot down means to write. Jot down, to write. Okay. So she thought most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Kitty is the name given by Annie to her diary. So Kitty is a non-living thing, non-living friend, and she was invented by Annie. There was no real person surviving in the name of Kitty, but she named it Kitty because she regarded it as her most favorite friend and true friend. That's why she named it. So she is telling that I don't want to enhance, to increase the status of my friend, but all I could say is that I made it my best friend and named it as Kitty. So most people try to write down in the diary something else. Instead of doing that, she wanted to narrate elaborately her expressions, her personal experiences in a very intimate tone. And what is the medium? The medium was her diary. And what did she regard? She regarded diary as her best friend and gave the nickname Kitty to her diary. Clear? So page 50, any doubt is there? Page 50, any doubt is there? Anushika, always no doubt. Others? Okay, does not matter. Anushika is there, Joyashree Meher is there, no doubt. Anybody else who has doubt, you please post.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. You are able to follow, no? Yes, sir. You are able to follow or not, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So, comprehension questions are there. What makes writing in a diary strange experience for Annie Frank? Who will tell? What makes writing in the diary a strange experience for Annie Frank? Who will tell? Tell me, anybody who knows. Question number 1, who can tell? Because she does not want to share the personal details and also was never interested in writing the diary. She wanted somebody or something through which she can express her feelings. That's why she started her diary written. And she was certain that nobody will read the diary of a 13-year-old girl. She thought that why I will write, because nobody will read it and nobody will care for the writing. That's why she was telling that writing the diary was a kind of compulsion for me, because I regarded the diary as a friend, as a human being, so I could write. Make it short, I told many things. Why does Annie want to have a diary, keep a diary? To communicate as a close friend and yes, and to share her feelings, to communicate, because she had no true friend. She thought that this diary will serve as a
True friend.
close friend. Yes, very good. Why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? Because people wanted, yes, because she is sending the answers. Annie decided to keep a diary and she had no, very good. Because all correct. All correct. She had no true friends and also she figured pepper had more patience and human have less patience. That's why caring, in spite of having caring parents, a good family also, she was feeling alone. That's why she kept a diary. Then why did Annie think she could confide more in the diary than in people? So generally the problem with people was that they wanted to talk about personal details, which Annie did not like. She did not like to disclose her personal details. That's why she was not interested in the people. So she preferred a diary to confide her feelings. Otherwise, if you know any answer, you please post number 3, page number 51, oral comprehension check, question number 3. Anybody can post, others will take the help and write down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt is there, or we will keep this here today? Oh, Vikas has posted one answer. Like this, you can post. Ria has left the meeting. One Ria is there, one Priya is there. 2 are there. Okay. So, children, any doubt is there, you post. Otherwise, post your names in WhatsApp. I will give attendance. What happens? Many children join, keep the camera on, and go. They do their work and off it. Don't do it. It is your class. Okay, it is your class. It is your life. I am nobody. Teachers are only medium, like blackboard, like chalk piece, like computer. Teachers are medium, not the end. And you have to do. Okay, Anushika present. I am marked. Others, you please post your names. Kusagra, Ria, Himanshu, Vinisha, Pragati, Arpita, Bhans, Ishadeep, Sadhana, Priya, Rajvardhan, Nishant, Paramjit, Utkarsh, Bharti, yes. Manali is present.
Present.
Okay, okay. Manali, Ria, Bharti written. Mansi also present.
Arpita present, sir.
Ria present. Manali, yes. Bharti Nagar present. Who else? Number is showing some 26. 34 now it has come. Okay. Melvin present. Priyanka Mina present.
Arpita present, sir.
Priya present. Ipsita present. Priya and Priyanka both are present. Ishadeep is present. Joyce is present. Ipsita, Priyanka, Mina present. Okay. Okay, shall we wind up the class? So go as per syllabus. Any doubt is there, you can ask anytime. You are most welcome. Oh, Partha present or yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, okay. Let me see.